From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, Central Pennsylvania. I'm meteorologist Jacob Morse. It was cool and comfortable across the state today, but that will soon change. Temperatures will be on the rise heading into this weekend and even into the beginning part of next week. Current live look over the Nittany Valley. A lot of stratus clouds were in our area throughout the day today, rather overcast and gloomy day, but it was a lot cooler today than the past several days. Current temperature at 61 degrees, feeling more like fall. You might have had to break out that sweatshirt for the day today. And the dew point was at 54 degrees, so it was rather comfortable today, not as muggy and humid for the day today. Weather headlines, it was a taste of fall today, but it won't last long. Above temperatures are on our way heading into the weekend and into the first half of next week. Our average high temperature for this time of year is only 65 degrees, and we'll see high temperatures in the upper 70s, near 80 degrees as we head into the weekend and into next week. And with those higher temperatures, higher humidity is also in store, so we'll be feeling more uncomfortable and muggy out there. Current temperatures across the Commonwealth, mostly in the mid to low 60s, especially in the northwestern portions of the state. A little bit warmer in the southeastern portions of the state, like Allentown and Philadelphia, around that 70-degree mark. But if we look at the temperature change over the past 24 hours, we can see that it was a lot cooler today than yesterday. 11 degrees cooler right now than it was at this point of the day yesterday here in State College, and many locations across the state seeing temperatures this afternoon a lot cooler than they were at this point of the day yesterday. Current radar and satellite showing that the southwestern portions of the state are stuck in the clouds, while the northeastern portions of the state are in some clear skies right now. But if we zoom out to a more broader view, the reason for that is that there's a center of high pressure up in the northern New York areas, and that's creating some stagnant air over the Pennsylvania area, not allowing the clouds to move out of our area, allowing them to stick around, not much wind flow to move them out of our area. But if we look over to our west, over Ohio, you can see some showers and thunderstorms slowly creeping to the east. That will break apart as it moves across the Pennsylvania area, so we won't be seeing a lot of precipitation from that moving forward. But plenty of cloud cover will be in store for the weekend as we see some more southerly flow. Time this hour by hour for you can see by this evening, a lot of cloud cover still across our region, and that will build in even throughout the overnight hours. Maybe a few sprinkles starting off your day on Saturday. I think this model overdoes it a little bit in terms of the showers and thunderstorms. I don't think we'll be seeing this number of showers and thunderstorms moving across our region for the afternoon hours on Saturday. Maybe some light drizzle, but it will be overcast most definitely for the day tomorrow. Not a lot in terms of the shower activity, however, I believe. Moving into the early morning hours on Sunday, you can start to see this cold front attempt to move across the northwestern portion of the state, but that will stall and weaken, so that will not bring us a lot of precipitation for the day on Sunday. Instead, Sunday will be filled with much more cloud cover across the Commonwealth. We can also time out the temperatures moving forward into the weekend to see how they'll increase gradually into the upper 70s and near 80s. This is on Saturday afternoon. You can see the western portions of the state already getting into those upper 70s and low 80s. The eastern portions of the state won't get that warm for the day on Saturday. They'll have to wait till Sunday. But if we stop this on Sunday morning, so the overnight lows on Saturday night won't be falling that much. They'll only be in the upper 60s. Average overnight lows should be in the mid 40s for this time of year. So we'll see some areas that are a good 20 degrees above their average for the overnight lows for this time of year. And then moving into Sunday, as I mentioned, those high temperatures will increase across the state into the upper 70s and low 80s, feeling a little bit more like summer here in the Commonwealth in mid-October. And then we can explain this for why our temperatures are being a lot warmer than average for this time of year. These warmer colors, these oranges and yellows, denote a lot warmer temperatures here on the surface, while these cooler colors, these blues and greens, denote cooler temperatures here on the surface. And you can see this ridge of high pressure and this ridge of warmer colors will build into our area heading into the weekend and especially into the first half of next week. See those oranges over the eastern portion of the country. That's what's causing these temperatures to remain above average for this time of year, and that will stick around even into the middle portions of next week. We'll have to wait until the end of the week near Friday when we can see some of those cooler temperatures move into our region and provide us some relief from the heat. Now, with those warmer temperatures, our dew points will also be rather high. Anytime you have a dew point above 60 degrees, especially over 65 degrees, that's when it starts to feel uncomfortable and rather muggy outside. So you can see by the afternoon hours on Saturday, the western portions of the state already seeing dew points above 65 and even over 70 degrees, feeling rather uncomfortable and muggy out there. Dew points also rather high on Saturday night, and especially into the day on Sunday. Dew points in the upper 60s and low 70s, feeling rather uncomfortable and muggy out there for your weekend. Your forecast for the night tonight will be dropping down to a low of 57 degrees, which is rather mild for this time of year. We'll be experiencing mostly cloudy skies here in the central portions of the state. For the day tomorrow, we'll reach a high temperature of 72 degrees with those overcast conditions and possibly some drizzle in the afternoon. Your official Campus Weather Service 7-day forecast shows that Sunday will still be rather cloudy in our area and those temperatures increasing to around the 80-degree mark. Rather warm for this time of year, as I mentioned. Monday, again, another warm day. Temperatures in the upper 70s with a mixture of sunshine and clouds. By the afternoon hours on Tuesday, we can start to see some clearing skies. Temperatures still in the upper 70s. Wednesday will be filled with some more sunshine with a high temperature around the 80-degree mark. And then Thursday, we could see some showers move into our area with still temperatures in the mid-70s. For CNET, I'm meteorologist Jacob Morse. Have yourselves a great weekend.